Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back with another YouTube video, and today I'm going to show you how I took my hair from this to this. So if you want to see how I did that, please stay tuned, and while you're at it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So y'all know I love the Yellowbird Conair hair dryer. It is, I feel, one of the best things for 4C hair when you want to do a dry or blowout. So that's what I'm using today. I also am working on moisturized, freshly washed hair. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and just continue on with the routine. Something different today. I didn't do as many plaits as I normally do, but I still made sure to section out my hair and comb everything out thoroughly. final look before I style it and do something with it. I absolutely love when I dry my hair and stretch it out with the Conair. It's always nice to see not only how much growth I've obtained, but how soft my hair can get and just how much it stretches. So I hope you not only got something from the video, but enjoyed watching. This is my favorite part too. Yeah, let me know in the comment section how you normally stretch your hair and what dryer you use, what hair dryer you use. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all again next week. Thank you so much for tuning in.